Hey guys, so today I'm just going to go ahead and do a very quick video here. It's going to be a reading comparison between my Galaxy Note 2 versus my Galaxy S3. So I did a video like this a year ago, the Galaxy S2 versus the original Galaxy Note. And now I've had the two successors over here, the Galaxy Note 2, successor to the original Galaxy Note, and the Galaxy S3, successor to the original, or to the Galaxy S2. So, in that video, we're basically using the Kindle app, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that again. And as you can see here, when we go back to my library, we're going to use the book The Millionaire Next Door, The Surprising Secrets of America's Wealthiest People or something. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see, we are on the same page because, as you do know, with Kindle, it auto-syncs to the correct page. So you can see it starts on Our Latest Survey up here and Our Latest Survey up here. And also when we go to the menu here and go to Viewing Options, you can see that we have screen brightness to full on both, and basically the text and everything should be the same on both of them. Let's go ahead and change to sepia because I think that could create a little bit of a more book feeling on this video. Okay, so where does this one end? Okay, first of all, this Galaxy Note 2 is 5.5 inch big. I think I'm just going to go ahead and go back to Viewing Options. And I'm probably going to go ahead and change to, wait a second, let's try black as well. Maybe black is easier. I think black could be easier to read. So, what are we comparing here? Well, we are basically comparing a 5.5 inch screen in Galaxy Note 2 versus the 4.8 inch Galaxy S3 screen. So, it is a little bigger. I mean, the Galaxy Note 2 is 0.2 inches bigger than the original Galaxy Note. And of course, the Galaxy S3 is bigger than the Galaxy S2 because the Galaxy S2 was 4.3 inch. This one is 4.8 inch, so it's 5 inch bigger. So in terms of when we talk about the successor, the Galaxy S series has been increasing more in screen size than the Galaxy Note series that was already very big. But they, did the form factor a little bit smaller, so, it was basically like a good update because they only did increase the size on the length of the device, just as Apple did with the iPhone 5. So, the starts from Our Latest Survey up here. If you go back again to white, I think actually the white could be the best because, I don't know, maybe it's easier to see the text and all those good things. And just to show here that I am running, I'm running on screen brightness on full on both, as you can see clearly. And when I take a look at these displays over here, I gotta say that it's not actually a big difference. I think actually there's something with the Galaxy Note 2 display that looks a little better. It looks a tiny bit brighter than the Galaxy S3. It also looks a little bit more white for me when I'm looking at these displays myself, but that could also just be the way I'm sitting right now, that I'm sitting closer to the Galaxy S3. But if it starts on Our Latest Survey, where does this one end? If they start on both, this one ends at Wealth N, and if we can go ahead and tap on that, if you can go ahead and tap on Wealth N, and then tap on the same word here on the Galaxy Note 2, you can basically see that if you go ahead and tap again, okay, you can basically see that you get an extra you get 1/4 of more reading on each page with the Galaxy Note 2 because it is around 1, 2, 3, maybe 1/3 more reading on the Galaxy Note 2 compared to the Galaxy S3 on each page, and that is kind of a lot more reading. And also, if you go ahead and go to Viewing Options here, of course you can also change how big the text are. So let's say we make it 1 to 1. Okay, I can only make it one screen size bigger there. Well, I can make it 2 screen sizes bigger on this boy. On the Galaxy Note 2, I can increase the size 2 times, but only once, on my Galaxy S3. I'm really not sure why. But if you try to go back to the smallest, let's see if it is the same. Maybe it will be kind of hard here to see. Let's see here. Our latest survey, both start on our latest survey. But kind of interesting. It looks like the text on average, when you go to the smallest on both, you can see that you get the same amount of reading on both. That's pretty interesting. I'm really not sure why that is the case, but that is what you get. I think the screen size, maybe it is a little bit smaller here also on the Galaxy S3. I think that could be the case. Why, when you go to the smallest screen or when you go to the smallest font size, you can see the same amount of text on both the two devices. But I don't think most people are going to read it small as that. I think most people are either going to read it like this. If you go ahead and go up one step, either they're going to read it like this, prone to. Now they are also at the same here. When we just increase the screen size once, you get the same amount of text on both. But I think it must be a little bigger there on the Galaxy Note, because the screen size that we started on, I think it was kind of like this one or something. Our latest survey, frugal, and no, it's the same over here again also. But the text is it must be a little bigger. There we go. I think we started on this one. When we go up even one more, no, you can see wealth N and wealth N now. So some weird thing has happened now. So every time I increase the screen size, you can see the same amount of text on both displays. That is pretty interesting. I'm not quite sure how that works, because I definitely didn't start in that kind of screen size. Wait a sec. Oh, now I get it. Okay, so they weren't aligned in the same kind of font size. I'm pretty sure that now they are aligned in the same font size, because I'm pretty sure that you can get at least 1 or 2 extra font sizes on the Galaxy Note 2, because it is a big display. But right now I'm pretty sure that they are aligned at the same. You can see that this one ends at when, while you are getting our latest survey, fun is urban. Let's see here, 1983. Oh wow. Okay, so we get, if you go ahead and just tap on that, 1983. You can see that you almost get the twice of reading now when they are kind of like aligned in the same kind of font size. I'm pretty sure this must be like the same font size. So yeah, if you are planning to do a lot of reading on your devices, you should definitely go ahead and check out the Galaxy Note 2. And it really doesn't feel as, way bigger, even though, it is wider, of course. But if you're used to original Galaxy Note, it's not going to be that of a big difference. Actually, the people that have used the original Galaxy Note and went to the Galaxy Note 2 actually think that it feels better, because it's not wider. I think because first off, it has adopted the Galaxy S3 design. That basically means that it is more rounded off, and the more rounded off design, the better. So it really is an awesome design on the Galaxy Note 2, in that they only made it longer, and it's very, very easy. The most important thing was that the Samsung with the Galaxy Note 2, they didn't make it like LG did with the LG Optimus View. The LG Optimus View is has a 4:3 display, and it's very, very hard to hold because it's so wide. So that was probably like a fail over there. So yeah, a quick video here comparing them a little bit. If to sum it up, if you're going to do a lot of reading, you get around sometimes 2/3 and sometimes almost half the page of extra text by this 5.5-inch display compared to the 4.8-inch display that you get on the Galaxy S3. So yeah, quick video here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't checked out the Kindle app, you should definitely go ahead and do so. It really is awesome. It really is something that you want to go ahead and check out if you want to do a lot of reading and all those things. You can use purchase books from the Amazon store, and then just download the Kindle app and then sign in with your Amazon account, and then you will be able to do a bunch of reading, and it's just awesome. I think it's great, and I definitely recommend that you go ahead if you don't know if you're gonna buy the Galaxy Note 2 or the Galaxy S3. I would seriously recommend that you go ahead and check out the Galaxy Note 2. It really is amazing with that extra pen that you can take out and that you can use. And also be aware of that this pen doesn't like work. If you have a Galaxy S3, the pen doesn't work, okay? So they have some kind of different screen technology over there, so it doesn't work. Pretty interesting. But yeah, quick video showcasing that, and hope you have an awesome day right now, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Yes, peace out. And if you have any video ideas you want to see, or if you have any videos you want to see with my Galaxy Note 2, please let me know. Maybe a comparison, I don't know. But yeah, just have a good day now, and I will see you all hopefully in the next video. Yes, peace out.